In today's video, I want to show you how to open documents on your iPhone. To open any document on your iPhone, this is what you want to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to open up your Files app. So if you check here, you can see the Files app is being indicated with blue color. You just want to tap on the Files app. This is the Files app. So you just want to tap on it. So just tap on it to open it up. So once you open up the Files app on your iPhone, I want you to check the bottom right corner. If you check the bottom right corner, you're going to see where it says browse. I want you to tap on that browse. So once you tap on that browse, then it will load up some things for you. You can see we have on my iPhone. You want to choose wherever you have the document being saved. If you have it saved on your iPhone, you want to tap on your iPhone. If you have it saved on your iCloud drive, you want to tap on the iCloud drive. So for the sake of this tutorial, we are just going to tap on the iPhone. Just let's tap on my iPhone. I have some documents saved here. So you can see these are all the documents that I have on this phone. So to open up any one, I will just tap on it once. So let's tap on any document here. So once you tap on any document here once, it will open up the document for you. So guys, this is how you can actually open up any document on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.